Hey everyone, my name is Brad Wood, and I am a business consultant and Atlassian certified professional at Expium, a Valiantus company. Today we're going to review some improvements and enhancements to the issue search interface in Jira Cloud. We'll also touch on some plans that Atlassian has for some future improvements as well. So let's jump into the tool and see what's new. So here we are in a test instance of Jira Cloud, and we're looking at the issue search interface. And to navigate here, just go to the top and click Filters, and then select View All Issues. And so right now I just have a basic search set up. We're searching on a particular project and for all issues that are in the status category of Done. And we can see here, here's the list of all of those issues that meet that search. And so to change from a basic search to a JQL search, just head over to the right side here and click the word JQL. And we can see that now my search that I had created in the basic search is actually displayed in JQL in this field right here. So some improvements to the JQL search. You probably are noticing some of these words and operators are highlighted in some colors, which is meant to help you write your JQL queries and let you know when they're valid or when maybe you've made a mistake. So for instance, if I remove the equals operator, now the word complete is highlighted in red. And if I actually hover over that, I get some more information. It says expecting an operator, but got complete. And then there's a whole list of all of the valid operators that you could use to complete this JQL search. And we also have a, kind of a handy drop down here, so I can just actually just click in here, and now my query is valid again. Likewise, if I were to remove status category, now the equal sign is highlighted in red, and if I hover over that, I get some more information as well. Expecting a field name but got equals, you must surround in quotation marks, et cetera, et cetera. So the key tip here is it was expecting a field name before this operator, but there is not one. So if I add that back in, and of course it's helping me with this drop-down menu, so I can just click here. Now my search is valid again. So just a couple different ways that the JQL search has been improved to help you write your queries and be certain that they are valid. Another enhancement to the issue search interface is that this field where you enter your JQL queries is actually expandable now. So if I head over to the right here and click this expand editor icon, I can expand this field. And the idea here is to give you some more space to keep yourself organized and keep all your clauses in the order that you want them to be when you're executing your JQL queries. So for instance, if I were to shift enter, I can add a new line, and we see that it's already giving me some suggestions and or order by, etc. So I'm going to click and I'm going to search on assignee, and I'll just enter in myself. And you notice when I enter in a user, you can actually see my avatar here too. So this will help you be confident that you're searching on the user that you actually want to be searching on. So maybe there's more than one Brad in your instance, or people have similar names, something like that. This is just another layer of confidence that the search you're executing is what you intended. And of course, if I just hit enter and search, we can see that now this this is displaying all of the issues within this project that are in this status category and that are assigned to me. One other notable enhancement to the issue search interface is the ability to edit the status of issues directly from this interface. So if I click on any of these statuses on these issues, I can see all of the available statuses that I could transition this issue to directly from this screen. So a little bit of enhanced functionality there, and might speed up your processes if you need to transition some issues directly out of a search query as opposed to navigating to a project, finding the issue, sort of the traditional ways that you might transition an issue's status. And then lastly, some future plans that Atlassian has to improve this interface even more. Number one, they are working on the ability to actually edit more than just the status field directly from this interface. So right now it's just status, but in the future, maybe assignee, resolution, due date, maybe any of those fields will be on the list to be able to actually edit directly from this issue search interface. And one other notable improvement that will be coming down the road, the way that these columns are configured, currently in the new search interface, you are only able to select system fields. So here's just a list of all the system fields that I could add as columns. Maybe I want to see labels or priorities, something like that. And pretty simple interface, just click the check boxes and it will add those fields as columns. So they are actively working on adding custom fields to be available as columns in the new issue search interface. If you do need to navigate back to the old issue search interface for whatever reason, just click the three dots up in the right-hand corner, and you can click Go Back to the Old Issue Search. And Atlassian wants to know why you're moving. You can give them a reason, or you can just skip this. And here we are back in the old issue search interface. And if you'd like to switch back to the new, maybe you were testing and you want to move back, just click the three dots again, switch to the new issue search, and here we are back in the new issue search interface. So that was just a quick look at some of the improvements and enhancements that Atlassian has made to the issue search interface in Jira Cloud. I hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions on this topic or anything else Atlassian related, please feel free to reach out to me via email or LinkedIn, both of which will be included in the description box below. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.